Good morning, Choo Choo. Hi. Good morning, Bubba's. Got my stock. I need to realign these. This looks ridiculous. Good morning. It is hump day. Today we are making some content. We're doing some marketing. We are doing some live stream. I'm going to be dancing again today. Got my little coffee. And I got more lights. So I think I might do this doorway here. Or bring them across this way. So I don't know. But that's the plan today. I also need to market the sociopath and psychopath, make some clips for that, start marketing that. I'm also looking into a new business venture on Etsy. So I might watch some videos on that and take some notes. Yeah, anytime I've started any kind of business or anything, I'm just going to YouTube and the internet. I'm not paying nobody, I'm not taking no classes. The internet is your best friend, okay? A YouTube University, best college ever, okay? Yeah, you wanna go poop some mama? You wanna go poop some me? Let's go, come on, get up. Morning. You got breakfast?
I feel like I put all my eggs in one basket when it comes to spicy live streaming. I really want to learn more about marketing, visual.
So just did some emails, so did a little bit of marketing on some Twitter, some Facebook threads, my Telegram, my channel on Instagram, which is like Telegram. I brushed my curls out. This is how my hair would look if I brushed my curls and did nothing to it. But I'm about to stream on my fan side. I was gonna dance, but I'm cramping. I really am. I'm cramping. I'm nauseous. I don't feel well. So when you have vertigo, your PMS, because you're retaining water, affects the fluid in your equilibrium and your ears and all that. So my vertigo is worse when I'm on my period or about to get my period. It's just all bad. But yeah, I'm about to stream. I'm gonna do some holiday prizes, some drawings. I'm gonna see if people are gonna be willing to send me a photo so I could do my Grinch roast. And hopefully I make some money, because this month as a live streamer has sucked. It has not been a good month for me at all. And then I separated my laundry. I'm gonna wait because there's just a lot of washing machines being used. I live in an apartment complex, so I don't have a washer and dryer in my apartment. And I don't like being in there where there's a lot of people, because I'm sorry, but I don't like people on me. If I gotta do this, I'm in a club to wash my drawers, I don't want to be in there. I'd rather wait until the morning when nobody's in there, or later tonight. So I'm gonna check it in an hour after my first stream and see. But yeah, about to stream, just letting this bake a few more minutes. I didn't do lashes today. It's not necessary every day, especially when you're cute like me. But yeah, all right, be back. Gonna make money. So I'm wearing it with this black skirt. I'm gonna do some holiday headshots type thing and put this little fluff to use. My live stream was okay. I made some money, so I'm happy about that, because it has been really bad these past few days. So I'm glad I made some money, and I'm so bloated. I feel like this button just wants to bing, pop off any second. I'm cramping. I feel bad because I don't have good energy now. I feel really sick. I'm struggling, y'all. But yeah, let's get some of these photos. Do you wanna go poop some mama? You wanna go poop some me? You wanna go poop some mama? You wanna go poop some me? You wanna go poop some mama? You wanna go poop some me? You wanna go poop some mama? Why is it this dark? It's 6 o'clock right now. So I've got my store set up. Right now I'm using AI to make a logo for my digital Etsy store. Let's see what it comes up with. These are some of the designs I came up with down here, but just not hitting it on the head. We got close, but no sugar. The AI is not good for logos, so I just made one myself. And yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna do my listing, start making these things, show you guys a little bit of that. But that's pretty much it for today's vlog. About to eat, watch some reality trash TV, my favorite, and go back, go sleeps. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.